beside me and I couldn't fucking...
I thought you were going to get a good knee, you're going to get a fox come running right at you. But I didn't see one down the tram line, but obviously it was right beside you. He sat right next to you.
They fucking shot out here beside me.
One of them ran out behind you when you was...
Video didn't fucking see it on video.
It is, isn't it? Man, that would have been hell of a film, wouldn't it?
I'll tell you what, should I wait and see if it come up the next time?
Well, they're gonna, I mean, when it comes down to the last bit, that's when they'll come out. But which end will be the widest, the bit where...
So should I go over...
I don't know, where...
I'll sit up with you here for a minute.
Yeah.
That's a cracking video, that is. Last one.